Here's a question for you. Are team members engaged in what's happening? Research suggests that 20% of people do 80% of the work. It's called the Pareto principle, and it provides insight into the challenges many managers face when driving business results. As a leader, you can choose to create authentic and ongoing relationships. But what's in it for you? Well, there are 5 big reasons why engagement matters. Number 1, increased profitability and investor returns. Both top-line revenue and bottom-line results matter. The more you create an environment where people can engage, the higher their performance. A highly engaged team will outperform a disengaged group any day. So make sure you encourage a regular cadence between both the first team and network team members. Number 2, improved employee retention rates. It's common sense that more engaged employees are less likely to leave their jobs and search for new ones. So, higher engagement can boost retention rates and lower recruiting and hiring costs, which boosts morale. So, make sure you meet individually with each person on the team. And remember, sometimes people need to be heard. Number 3, a substantial boost in workplace well-being. Research shows that employees don't leave companies, they leave their managers. Only a tiny percentage of employees leave for a new job solely because they're chasing a bigger paycheck. Instead, many people want recognition for their efforts and contributions. So make sure you share accolades for a job well done. Number 4, higher levels of productivity. An ongoing historical Gallup poll analyzing more than 1 million employees finds the teams with highly engaged team members outperform similar teams with disengaged team members. In addition, companies with engaged employees outperform those with lower engagement levels by up to 20%. So make sure you act on feedback and support team members with one-on-one performance coaching to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Number 5, increased innovation to help the company accelerate growth. Team members who are engaged are more open to innovative ideas and using new tools. In addition, these team members are thinking about ways to enhance their work rather than just performing the bare minimum required. So encourage curiosity and call out where you see innovation happening. These are the 5 most significant ways that team member engagement impacts the team and the business. That's why engagement matters.